Sir,
Any problem with any questions?
sir, some tadre fazana. Kay hay no khang.
Do you have any question to ask? Any
Sir,
kind of
questions. Yes, sir. Some questions like
Yeah,
I
yeah.
na kitang class ma tung si exam thab da tang soi give a question kara.
Chalo. We'll discuss that one.
24 number do.
Question number
24.
24. Chalo, I'm coming to question number. Nang question yaw ko na wanda. You are having question with you, right? Yes. Question number 24. Yes, let me come to question number 24. Question number 24 na harido. Absolute humidity class 6 7 da tamkiba pura masuere. Question number 1 you are having question with you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are having question with you. Means question of the absolute humidity represents humidity is the amount of moisture contained. Humidity is nothing. That is humidity is nothing. That is the amount of that is amount of moisture content. That is moisture content. Humidity is nothing. It is the amount of moisture content in a given unit volume. A specific given volume, the amount of moisture content humidity. Yes, the condition we may be having 3 conditions in that way. Okay. The first condition is we have a specific unit here, okay? Specific volume specified. This is very much dry condition in a low. And one condition is here, that is wet condition in low. Okay?
Yes.
One condition is wet, one condition is dry. Dry way dry way if we put moistures, Siam Sangadra Chaloidra. Changani ko. Chakao hang me the chak pijava haibani, Amana Mabuk Talaba me the chak pijava haibani, Mabuk Tan me the chak pijatari yam chalaroi, Adukiti, Mabuk Lama me the chak pijari yam changani haibani. And wet condition is already moistures is here, moistures contain is here already. And now we are going to edit Anuba moistures hapsan do neighbor. Adu itan mayam na chow yaroi. That is the condition. Adugi condition do neighbor. Yes, open the road. Go with question. 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 Yeah. That's it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yes. This is two condition. That is absolute humidity high tarani kedorani. One is in the dry state, one is in the cold state. Cold state laiba humidity ke contain ga, warm state laiba humidity ke contain ga manadiba. Amana wet condition dani aina sidai the PM phorena khalo p sidai the kedorani. If I am going to put water droplets here, if I am going to put water droplets hatade kayam thuna karamba condition dana ising do sidagi drop ising tarak pahan gadage haibane ba. Yes, aina hanadagi leiba phi achot pamada if I am going to spray and spray tausalaga water vapor water moisture hap taradi it will be the faster the moistures to am thuni yang lakpagi options leiba. That is the conditions. Kariguma freeze hana akang boy taradi kedorane aina kape until and unless magi level ama saturated level ama yodri photi ma ising tara oeba aduni ba koina specific condition and absolute condition haisi yandarba tadribra adu itadi let's go back with the question the lako matam se let's go back with the question. I'm coming to the question now. Question number 24, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go with the question. Question number 24. Yes, absolute. Here is the question number 24. Yes, absolute humidity represents the actual amount of moisture present in the air. Absolute humidity remain constant with the change in temperature. Absolute humidity, see, it will remain constant with the change of temperature.
Sir, oigani na di pagi thana.
Because with the change of temperature, magi contraction ki chang hengalakani, or with the change of magi expansion hai tare akoina sana mamang da so hai gido like this. If temperature is given, this water molecules, what would happen with the water molecules? The water molecules kadorani expand torani ba. Temperature wankaladi the molecules would got expand torani torpatara dima kadorani will become rare. Langthora patara ma ke dorani it will become more rare with tadi ma ke dorani it will be more lighter oitadi it will move upward aduniva amuka mathak yobukanda ke dorani molecules will become condensation temperature handarabani ke dorani temperature among handarani ma again more contraction means coming down as a rainfall. It depends on temperature. That is the condition. Yes, relative humidity kayam yamna hap taragadi magi saturation point phangadagi haibani basana sa haigo. Wet condition da hapaga, dry condition da hapaga, hanadagi khara larik hairaga laba mida takpataradi khara thuna haiba hengani, hanadagi gyan suta tadaba mida takpataragadi khara kuine changani. That condition relative humidity hai taradi kayam yamna aina pishan bataradi magi saturation point phangadabuno haibaniba. Okay, means sana ngasai pirba diagram du ke dore phi phoriba phi du dai da kayam yamna aina spraying to taradi moisture speed taradi magi paibangam whole tobangam water droplets to tarakadagi have how much amount of humidity if I put half taradi that moisture that water's molecules will come down haibaniba paibangam that is called relative humidity haido aduniba. Okay, adu itaradi okay, consider the following about the humidity haibani. Question number 24 and option number mathang dikai like this is 24 2. Where is 3? For 2. Yes. The absolute humidity represents the actual amount of moisture present in the air. Absolute humidity remains constant high tadi la level with the changes of temperature. There is changes because there would be contraction and there would be expansion with the change of temperature. Option 1 C lale. Option number 2 high tadi relative humidity the how much amount of moisture to be given so that it cannot hold high any condition though. The relative humidity is a ratio between the amount of moisture which the air can hold at a given temperature and the amount it is actually hold. Relative humidity increases with the increase in temperature while it decreases with the decrease in temperature. Asi lale ko opposite oigadobani. The final statement should be opposite oigadobani. Yareko. D would be the answer. Next question. Mathang nang hangingba question hairo aina randomly laktrikanda question number adum mathang chalasira. let's go. Next question number 20 of 5 yarabra yengo. Are you okay with question number 25?
Yes, sir.
Yareko, very good. Then the question number 28, are you okay with question number 28? What are the various factors that latitude, that altitude, that cloud cover? These are different things, okay? We have already discussed everything. What is that? LNO ki matang stay the sana. So hi kre gyan ta da yori should I repeat the LNO again? Should we do again with the LNO? Mukta usira. LNO part, question number 28.
Tare the option number 4 do the nahan exam like itang
So
number option 4 do.
Option number question number kya no jikito?
El Nino ki
Question number, what is the name of the question? Question number
96 ki
26. Chalo. 24, 25, 26. What is the following conditions occurs in LNO Sana Muka? Little let me come to you little on this, okay? Let's LNO Hidikari Haibano, LNO Hidikari Haiba. LNO hek atang ta matam da warming neba. LNO hek tara dari kari haiba warming neba of the Eastern Pacific plus Central Pacific, that is Australia of Central Pacific. Yes, associated. Associated karitorani. It will associated what? Associated edi karitorani. Ado itari akoina ngasai Peruvian currents they the Lambiba Zagas wise they the warm Zagam excessive warm creatorani will create a very warm, excessive warm area creatorani. Warm area create tabutara dikadorani. Sidai the low pressure bell malani, low pressure bell lactarati. Magi opposite zone Kandalariba Zagastagi, lot of water is going to flow in here. Sidai the lot of water flow torani. Other the lot of water flow tawtara dikadorani, which is against the trade wind. Trade wind ki direction dikadaidano. So nakandani. Trade wind ki direction the so nakandani. Other trade wind ki flow. Naturally, short a bit of trade wind ki flow se kanana block torani. Sigi illino means sudden warming, temporal warming of this karihaitare Eastern Pacific or in the Central Pacific. What would it happen means it will warm up the ocean, means low pressure zone will be created. Then it will block the karihaitare trade winds moving in eastwards direction. East the chaliba trade winds se sigi opposite the ek torani. Opposite ek torani, it will slow down the movement of the trade winds. Slow down torani. Trade wind movements slow down to the tautara dikadorani. Tongan ba asina pi ba southwest monsoon whatever tongan ba nungsit mayam do ising makai pile up to ngamaroy nungsit moisture se oba pu ngamaroy maram maduna kedorani tongan ba jaga in the eastern parts the nong ta da bagi khudong saba leirani ba aduga sigi Peruvian coast di kedorani sigi sare sabana maram gi jiba mayam sirani lot of that karihaitare jiva panba organisms ma'am sirani maramaduna kedorane asigi ocean water as change the way even it can give to the increase in fluoride akoigi H2O ga the increase ma'am pirani aduga deadly situation lani even the coral may be decolorized the way even coral gi karihaitare environment to over decolorization the way coral blessing the way plus kedorani sigi upwelling toramasi kedorani upwelling toraroi nga laroi fishermen laroi planktons laroi algae laroi and global economic crisis to enable the situation adugi wari ni illino gi wari si lalina hadi kenta nate natural process to the kitten fasten tobugi wari ni that is the condition. Then let me come to the questions again. Which of the following conditions occurs during El Nino? Trade winds are weakened in the Eastern Pacific. Simadiana reko sana hosi high trade wind duke dorane ba number 1 da weakened dorane. The upwelling across the coast of ferry is suppressed. Upwelling duke dorane tauraroi simasu summe upwelling tauraroi no upwelling will take place. Air pressure rises over areas of the Southeast Pacific. while pressure drops over the Western Pacific, air pressure si kari tawgani hai ba? Air pressure kari tawgani hai ba? Sige air pressure ki matang si gyan tabra ta dabra yengo. Air pressure ki matang tu gyan tabra ta dabra. Rakesh, ai ko. Yes, air kari you know hai matam di yengo sidai da. Sidai the air pressure ki differences laini but this is air pressure adu the air pressure ki changes lairani air pressure is on the low itarani kedali low air pressure lairani high itar is on the high air pressure lairani which is opposite asing with normal condition didi high air pressure sum the laiduine ba asum the kai dorani low air pressure laiduine ba sum the high air pressure laiduine ba adu ne train will lie adu now the condition would be changed because of the warming of the this ocean sigi ocean warming up to ocean all this condition could have changed to khidoi ba maram adu na maram oraga kari torani sana amaso high grade the final option is ngasagi H2S kari hai tare lot of organisms mayam shirani shin maram orga pollutants soirani then coral bleaching to we coral decolorization to we coral decolorization duni coral bleaching hai si shumai orga different phenomena mayam pi and now the answers could be like all of this would be the right answers kuding magloine chumme. Then which question? Next question we are going to move on. Atop karamba question sasige.
Sir, question number 29 the sir paper number 3 gem.
Number 29 the number 3 ko.
29
29 the Roma number 3. Yes, equal pressure the line that joins kari hai tare sidai da sumai hai sini ko. Pressure manava makai samjan balai. If this line is like this, equal pressure samjaladi isobar kaureba. Isobar si kari gumbai koina. Sidagi samaga si manare sumai very close oitaradi magi intensity to kandoineba. When the iso thauri amna sangadi kadorni thauri si amna sangadi mapangan kandi thauri close oiradi kadorni mapangan kan beheli that adugi mong dadum higher sui because when you are having very broad isobars very broad wide isobars later the strength of the isobar is strength of the pressure gradient is small. When this isobar is very close to each other the gradient force is very strong hai bani magi isobar adagi isobar natabada equal temperature toradi ke dorani isotherm kore ade ocean depth toradi isohels kore rainfall tari sumai ta mayama brasolates isolen isodepths we have given all that list tongan list ma sana pi grabani ko adumaina sigi conditions the naina taradi kemtanate the lines of equal pressures on the map are known as isobars. This is two answers. Wide space isobars indicates a high pressure gradient. Chumra lanbra. Wide space soitadi lale. The pressure gradient force act parallel to the isobars. Chumra lanbra.
confused khangdaba pressure
29 si khangdaba
93
karamba khangde ai ba
29 the third so the pressure gradient pressure gradient force adhikari no the force generated by pressure between 2 points to niko point ani du lamna taradi magi pressure hantarani ba ya tarani ko point ani du lamna khitaradi lamna chingara dawni na magi pressure gi force to handarani yare ko isobar sadi kaimta nate magi equal pressure join tobuduni join torbalai du lapthok na taradi kedorani ba magi chingnabagi force lafani naksan na taradi kedorani magi chingnabagi force su yam sathi na kallani yarani ko aduga yam lapthok na khitaradi kedorani yam kanna chingnaroi da magi wind speed su tapani yam na naksan na taradi magi wind speed su hengalani yare ko aduga magi force du kai doe ba magi force to kedaweba which ek perpendicular oine ek tawgani ba perpendicular oine ek tawgani ba not parallel yara bro yadri bro yes
okay the more the closer the that isobars
The more the closer the isoburst, the more the attractions, the more the attractions, the more the speed of the wind. Okay? Next. Mathang kari nahi na bhai?
Question number 38.
38.
38.
Chalo, we'll go with question number 38. Yes. Volcano di khangi ko. Volcano is nothing. Volcano hai di kemta natte that laiba manung the laiba materials, that extrusion that is coming out onto the surface of the art hai tare. Laiba manung the lairika that what we call that is magma. When the magma is extruded, when the magma is thrown out on the earth surface, that we call as lava kawe. Volcanic activities the magi maru pollutants volcanic ash then sulfur the major contains pollens grains pollutants sulfur sisu pollutants volcanic activities so my environmental pollution nitrites की series मगे से सीना environmental की pollutions की part अबने haying परखादा ideas ani magak thambale because of the pollutants from vehicles na tongan activities sina maram oraga nitrites yana pi adun acid rain ga tare do aduna volcanic activism yamna leiba jaga da di kedorane volcanism gi process the lot of sulfur is added onto the atmosphere yare ko aduna volcanic yamna leiba jaga da kedoni my sulfur yamna ek tobagi khudong chaba lei haibani yarani ko that part also clearly given in the Decilium Dosodum Pazani Yaubani, Shutananga. Volcanic rocks are made up of solidified lava and has small crystals. Simadum Chume, Columbia Snake Plateau is made up of volcanic rocks. Simasodum Chume Haina Laudoribra, Lalehel Laudoribra.
Adudo Kangdava class.
Okay. See the Quiggy Toganba Mayama lady. Volcanic की different forms में हम ले रही बात तो हाइंग शू मजले पर खाता हम दो बले थे तो वो volcano की models था सारा है अकन बले अपिक बले असी बले then dead ले dormant ले नटा अगर different शू की Colombian snake plateau is made up of volcano rock size शू में Colombia दा same ki bagi wari ni shumain taraga sources mayam lay but sometimes when you go to Jesilion or some other materials shubha macha yarong gani adu su hek underline taraga pabasana over ko this is a true statement. Yareko yes akoina volcanic ki eruption taraga matunda form tawbagi sana mayam high gradena when this manung dagi laiba this when this magma is coming outside mara sumain taraga tapna chatpasu yaweba like this deposition slowly extruded sidewards sumaina tapna chatpasu yaweba samna shem basidida sumain taraga plateaus mayam same when this is solidified and when this is concentrated not the contract it will look as a mountain plateau like this and sometimes sarna like this when this is coming out extrusion very far away zagada drop the same okay again Sigi manung dagi thole iba magi volcano lava se sometimes it comes out and layers by layers formation tobusu yawe tamna manung dagi sum thoraga layers by layers formation tobusu yawe like this Iceland type ka haibu sana like this Shumaina petu for tobusu yawe shumain toraga layers by layers formation tobusu yawe adagi zagama dagi shumain toraga pai storm toraga sigi sin nungsit na sila kan yei re ni ko yei ba kan sigi sin nungsit sin puraga chatkaga tongan ba jaga ma da yaraba deposition contraction torubasu yaeba these are different models of the art of volcano high tare my extrusion it can be very much high in this can Vesuvian type Sicily Islands, Italy. Yam satina pescari kapa the kugi bongla kapa the mathak inkataga formation tobusueva. Okay, adugi warini. That is the Karihydra volcanic eruptions ki warini. These are the different models of eruption. Atopa question kari tobuya.
Question number 63.
Question number 63. I'll come back. Question number 63. Yes. Question number 63 is very important. What for pre-com mains? Animak prelims and mains, animak that has got specific importance. Haying MPSC Bakada prelims ka selection toraga. MPSC Bakada Pamutaradi. Sure short questions the mains the lakpagi kudong sabi amlalay because you may be asking direct questions in MPSC exam mains from this area. See, this is our art, and we do have our permanent wind system. We do have our permanent wind system. Akogi wind system lay sigi permanent wind sibo koine kari makagi permanent wind sibo koine kari ba that is called easterlies. Permanent seas de kari easterlies kore. And here is one wind system in the center. This permanent wind system, we call it as what? We call it as trade winds. Here, we call it as trade winds. These are permanent winds that is coming. Sumaina, atopa wind system which is moving from east to west to east. Which is moving from west to east like this. Yantareko, sigi permanent wind moving from west to east. It's westerlies kore. Westerlies, that is somewhere in the mid latitudes, that is started from 30 to 60 in border hemisphere in north and south. This westerlies wind is moving from west to east direction in northern hemisphere and in southern hemisphere like this. Okay, in the southern hemisphere it will take, in the southern hemisphere it will have greater speed because of less land masses. Because of less land masses it will have high speed like because in the southern hemisphere there is less land masses like this. Less land masses in the southern hemisphere will provide a low more speed, and sigi speed makasi so ko in a different examination the hangi roaring 40s, furious 50s, shrinking 60s, galloping 70s, that sumaina roaring furious kind tobudo sumai daraga upper the tropospheric jagas deida sigi upper tropospheric sideida kari taweba because of the differential of temperature, that is cold air masses and the warm air masses fronting the wave. There is front in this area. This wind is coming from the cold area. This wind is coming from the warm area. Because of this, because this wind is coming from warm area, this is coming from cold area. Warm the cold animal interaction sometimes warm is more visible, sometimes cold is more visible. These winds begin to meander. Meandering it takes more speed. Here now speed young ever. Phenomena that it that occurred in upper atmosphere. It occurred in upper hemisphere. Upper atmospheric, highly moving upper atmospheric winds was stratopic stratopic wind is
upper moving winds in upper troposphere. Okay, stratopic winds. Sigi winds say kayam yang ge haiba matamda it can deflect, deflect, deflect. Yaraba, it can deflect 90-degree deflection toba ngameba. Okay, this upper atmospheric wind, like this, upper atmospheric winds which can deflect 90-degree deflection toba ngamba, which can deflect 90-degree deflection toba, upper atmospheric wind which can deflect 90-degree deflect toba ngamba wind sibo kene kari koeba stratopic wind koeba. Okay, yes, shumain toraga upper atmosphere da somewhere in the mid latitudes da yang na chaliba wind sibo ekoina kari koeba sibo koina jet stream koeba. Jet stream. This jet stream is very much famous for mains exam, MPSC exam, very famous. If you go to the pattern of MPSC mains ki prakhagi yektaradi adum yaramani jet stream or jet stream koit. Jet streams are meandering upper atmospheric wind neba. Take na koina chali, take na koina chatpas dena sarana masuhai. The wind is moving like this, in this way. Sigi ways at a chatpamatam stick kedorani. Lot of winds are rising up. Lots of winds are rising up. Lots of winds are rising up. Sanahai kre karigamo winds mathak takahan bangam taradi. It can provide rainfall. It can provide rainfall. Example, convectional. Example, orographic. Sing the thing I wind the mathakawa neighbor. Orographic. Adagi like convectional rainfall in the equator. Like this. And lot of clouds is going to be having here and lot of rainfall is going to be coming down here. Again, lot of depression means depression kumdarani, lot of high is going to be here. Other the cyclonic sidai ke dorane my katna paidhar ko matam sidai da si mathak da paikale high sida paidharani low jaga paidhar mo matam da lot of anticyclonic conditions. Lot of cyclonic conditions mayam period cyclone to be amuk rainfall to be a cyclone, because this can give lot of climatic changes to be aduna temperate regions ta nekhair ba unkhair sibo khone kari koreba temperate cyclones kawi. Temperate cyclones krai dono leidu se in the temperate regions ni kadai degi horakadoino from the land surface ni kadai de luiduino some like the land surface the laga mana longly chatkani habrusana. Tropical the moistures pick up Torapani, Samudra the moistures Pangdra under tropical cyclone the Luigrani, but temperate cyclones the Kedoreba, Ma the land surface the Lakpani, Lushana Bohonamatan the Yam Queen Changaneva. This is the condition. So mind Toraga upper troposphere to move to riba wind sibo kore jet stream kawe jet stream makan mari layin high kre sidai the jet stream lay subtropical jet haibama upper jet haibama adi sidai the jet male. These are the 4 permanent jets, and we also talk about 3 jets, that is Somalian jet, Easterly jet. So mind Toraga 3 temporal jet amasu nainare, and this is the high artillery for it will exist till the art exists. That is called permanent. Other permanent nature we have 4 permanent jet, that is subtropical jet ani, that is then kariharaba assume the subpolar jet ani yamalay. Shumai Daraga sigi nungsisina ungalakpa matam sidaida. Shumai Daraga sigi jet stimsina ungalakpa matam sidaida. One phenomena occurs somewhere in Mediterranean Sea. Somewhere in Mediterranean Sea, sidagi develop tauba wind system amalay. Okay, there is a wind system. There is a wind system that develops somewhere from Mediterranean Sea ki mathak sidai de kanalai Portugal layrani, then Spain layrani, then France layrani, Germany layrani, Switzerland layrani, Italy layrani. Swai ki jaga UK layrani. Swai ki jaga sidagi one system of wind is coming. One system of wind is coming from the Eastern Europe. Sigi wind se thole krai dagi Mediterranean Sea dagi one wind is coming like this. Krai of the laiba coming to India side like this. This wind which is originating somewhere from the Mediterranean Sea, Western disturbance kawe. But this Western disturbance winds originating somewhere from the Mediterranean Sea is being pushed ahead by this strongly high moving wind. This jet, our prominent jet, is pushing this Western disturbance to go in a back way towards to approach India and hit the Himalayas, and it takes two parts like this. One part is northern Himalayas part, and one part is northern Himalaya part, and another part is in the northwestern part. Amana amana India gi sigi northwestern parts the drop to one part will go here and another part will go beyond the Himalayas because of the Himalayas. Yes, like this. Otherwise, the western disturbance who is helping? The jet stream is helping to move into the India directions. Okay. Yes. Malakwasin matamsida kedorani jet stream nama kedorani India yonaba push torakaduni. Okay. Yarani ko. Aduga directions to guide to doini mamang susan doini yang suyang doini. That is the condition. That is the condition. Let's go to the question. Question number 60 ga. What is the question?
63.
Yes, question number 63, right? Question number 63. Okay. These are extratropical cyclones. Consider the following statement regarding the western disturbance. Regarding the western disturbance, western disturbance western disturbance is nothing. There is the wind system that is originated somewhere somewhere from Mediterranean Sea dagi lagtoini. Yarani ko magi direction si kanana guide tawni ba. This jet stream can guide and give kari hai tare magi direction to provide to ba. Dugi jaga yaw it brings heavy rainfall to the North India and damages rabi crop. Yes, sometimes it brings heavy rainfall maktinati ko. It brings heavy rainfall maktinati. Okay, it brings high grade drizzles neighbor. Drizzles like even fogging high tare, lysin thava, natragana karidore, ice, slate to high tare. Unna paktak na kupshan badu yaiba Kashmir ko. It brings heavy rainfall. It can be the wrong answers. Number 2 can be a wrong answers. Adu itari both haiba option do malale, nan haiba option do malala ni, 2 haiba malale. Adu iti masama tung the 1 is the correct answer. Okay, 1 is the correct answer. Next, karama question to be
question 86.
86. Let's go with question 86. Jet stream gi wari du kya tahore ko. That is a very important questions for pre-comments.
86 mang 64 jam tayo Karewa formation
Karevas is nothing. It is Kashmir ki jaga swais deidana. Yarba Kashmir ki jaga swais deida formation tauba means the kari hai tare yamna mon lauba akoi ching ani ki marakta cheliba turendo adu iduna sometimes deposition taubagi warini. Karevas is nothing. This is an alluvial deposit. Karewa bu hek taradi deposition neba. Yareko deposition ni karaida thainagi ariba matam the mon lauba saruk ni samna haiba kanda thainagi leucostrine depositions on Ordovician period si thainagi matam gi period ni. This is the right answers to dongna the lana ngai leite. Ya kari haiba Karevas the leucostrine deposits of the Ordovician. Asi Ordovician period kidana te formation time of the Himalayas ke formation matam gi wari ni. Himalaya formation matung gi wari ni ba mamang gi wari na te ba. Ado itari ma sing hatang thamo khang drin loro ne. The questions is we are having written down on that. Next we can move to next question part. The Karevas soil of Kashmir have enormous agricultural potential. Yes, this is Karewas haidi deposition ni, deposition haidi alluvial ni, alluvial haidi agricultural benefit like ni. Number 2 could be the right answers. Number 2 ama di sung soy soy dina chumni. 2 di yaura ni ba. Ado the option number C is wrong. Option number C where the Pamper and the Pulwama Karewas, Pulwama has a Kashmir labor Jagagi Warini, Pampor has a Kashmir labor Gijawani, Pulwama, Ete Kaina Modi Matamra Tobodo. Yariko, Adugi Warini, that location ni, Sigisina Kedoreba, Kashmir, the Mummy Chetpa Kashmir, Saffron High Sequigi, like Angangangba, Sumaina, Mari Gachatpa, Amalerangani, Sumaina, a quick Wazada, the Hapayam Tang, Bapur Amaniko. Asigisi Kashmir the cultivated away and it helps lot in the Karihares or saffron production. Adagi Queen Kaju Badam walnuts kind sarido. Yariko, Adu Mashu Dum help tore, Kaju Badam ID Kashmir Dani, Adu Itarima Adum help tore. And option number 3 also true. Option number 3 is 100 Adum Chum double Masana, Haying Prakada, Queen a sort of Matamda. Karewa haidi alluvial ni adu katang khango alluvial haidi agriculture support tawni. When you have these two ideas in mind, Karewa is alluvial, it will support agriculture high sea mind later de adu gi plus point the work tawro adu itare answer sola ane adu di cultivation ni high radi yes adu help tawra ni padraga su khange adu itare di suchoi choi dana 3 hour ni 2 hour ni yaraba adu di B would be the right answer. So I don't nothing to get penny. Sungang Kang Drigasu, a Kang Bamakak Tiraga, answer corner of Honaga neighbor. A quick question do confuse the whole way. Okay. And the word Karewas is nothing, it is deposition. Okay. Deposition. And you can walk little more from different sources on Karewas. Go right as so not high mark. Next, move on. Mathan question kya tau sige? Which questions do you like? Question number 84 hai bara kenyoma hai ki batahowe somewhere in question number. Yengo problem leba. Which question should we move ahead? Yes, do you get clear with question number 90? Question number 90, Yantabo?
90, sir. Do Kang the answer. And the Kang the Tauram Deva.
Okay, very good. This Aquina Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Hana Nagredana, Andaman Nicobar Island, Nakwagi boy do they Mahalova, Sana Kaudin Iramdre. Sana Kaudini Iramdre, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Adudo, Adimapado, the tribes Kara, Nasana. You write some tribes that is important in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, some of the tribes mumming the Ong Gaile, Santalis Gaile, Somfan Gaile. Yaraba, some tribes there in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, you know. Ongay Suleko, Santalis Kain Suleva, Somfen guys. This Somfen is also one of the important tribes of Andaman Nebuko. Ado Horen Yum the Chalo, Horen Yum the C class to Ramatung the Kedarani, some tribes of Andaman and Google the number, Atopada Taurindragasu, then you write. Or Andaman Nicobar Island, NCR to the Chalo, NCR to the Yaroma Muketi Shalo, Adushuya Kashukaide, nothing to do. Sompen, Santalis, kind of Yaubanibugo. There are some important tribes. Adagi like Amathata, Laksudip ki part Adwaidi, Karamba type like Jarve guy, Jarva guy, my lady. You should be knowing our important a quick Nasaki Zangal, but tribes, Makazi, Mummy, Kara, the Kang Badakale. Adu would not stand the ladies, the Yaman Gray to the Kangasriare, Yaman Gravanina. Okay, Adan Andaman the labor tribe Karaga, Lakswadip the labor tribe Karaga, you make your notes. Aduma notes, Semo. Adu Etara the Kedarani, which of the following is Somfen tribe? Somfel tribes in Nilgari the Labanate, Spiti Valley, the Spiti means somewhere in Himachal Pradesh, Sunate, Lakswadip Sunate, Nilgari Shunate, UK Givarini, that Nilgari Shunate. That is of Nicobar Islands. That is of Nicobar Islands. Next, question number 91. 91, they are trying to ask you about
the tributaries of Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra gidi sana hai gre. Kwai mathak the Divang, Kitakum daro Lohit, Karakum daradi Dansiri, Subansiri, Sumungi mathak the Laktar, the Ama, Sankos, Kalang, Sumaina Tokyo. Makaram the Laktar di Baren, Karihai Tare, Barak, Irang, Kopili kind Tobudo. Okay. Sima
Yes,
problem later, right? Adagi like Turin Gimatang, the Suaina Kanbadan problem later in a Kali, Peneru di Sana, E Greco, Peneru in somewhere Karai, the no, Kabiri River Gimatatra Makadara, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Kaveri Gimatak, the Peneru, Kaveri, right? And the Bamsadara Sidi and the Kias Prakada Suyauki, Bamsadara is a river in Andhra Pradesh. Indravati di kara, you know, akoy na Godavati tawbo matam ahan ba Indravati into ito. Indravati, Pranhita, Varda, Venganga, Fenganga. Sumay tawdra na Maneru, Maner kain Godavari ki tributaries mayam duni ba. Adana this also thudong na luraro eh hay na kali sana ko. Adagi like wal rajes uranium city akoina resource ki part tawde adubu adum angaro kan khange uranium di found si Canada adum fawe Australia adum fawe Russia USA India dadi laibra nuclear ki India da do you have nuclear that fuels in India India da nuclear uranium plutonium phang bro India da su phangi ko India also phangi, but the quantity is very less. And from which country do we import this uranium for our nuclear plant? We import from Canada and from sometimes from Canada to Shuplowi, Australia to Shuplowi, America to Shuplowi, America to we are putting that pressure from Canada. Okay. Aduga aikoi gi Canada gi low drasu yanaba gi damakta aikoi gi su project ama leire that is akoi this naturally occurring uranium marang kind of fungi naturally occurring uranium is found plenty tabu direct uranium from the fungi ko the direct uranium from the fungi in the monazite sand of Kerala and Tamil Nadu in the monazite sand of Kerala plus Tamil Nadu sigi language sidagi uranium sungba yayeba why do we import karigino monazite sandagi uranium sungbada changadoriba costing adugi costing duga mapandagi purakpada changadubu costing duga costing ani du kanana hena efficiency oibano yengba matam sdaida kedorani mapandagi purakpa potuna hena efficiency wangi lot of costing changde maram adunani mapandagi ekoi import tawrise otherwise Kerala gi monazite sandagi ekoi gi nuclear fuel adum daka leiridi upai leitradi singdokpa yagani next question number 83 ngasa hai gi gum tawe 83 gyan tabra tai ko ada ekoi gi time zone du sana hai patang da repeat tawrake yahodaba mi yahorasu let me just come back with time zone. Yes, let me just come little bit again with time zone that revision type. Okay, revision tobogi moda. Let me come with the time zone again. Time zone, according to World Maritime Conference that held in Washington, our time started somewhere from Greenwich is taken to be the standard time. And in that meeting, in that conferences, we have decided that we'll have 24 time zones across the world. In that maritime conference, it has been decided that there should be like 24 time zone. There should be like 24 time zones across the world. Yes, and the time zone is going to be starting from where? From Greenwich.
London, somewhere near London. Sidagi Haugani, and our starting point is 0, and Sidagi Haugani, and India is standard time of Malay. That standard time is 82.5 degree ni. Can I say Mirzapur Dani? Mirzapur. Where is Mirzapur? In UP. This one. Why do we need to have standard time? Why do we need to have standard time? Standard time label zakat say. Taking an example of India, just let's take an example of India. In India, what is the extension of latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India? Tell me.
68.7 is
like 68, and this one is 97.
97.25.
This one is 8. This one is 37. Right? When we convert into degree, when we convert it into degree, we have lagbhag 30 degree length later. We have 30 degree length, and we have 30 degree breadth. Means time zone si internationally yanare, kamai dorage yanare in this sigi nakans data in the east will be divided into 12 time zones like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 180. Starting this side, also divided into 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this, 12, 12, 180. Every division is the multiple of 15. Every division is 15. Means reaching here you'll have 30, reaching here you'll have 45, reaching here you'll have 60. Means like this, 180. This side also 15, 30, 45, 180, like this. This is the condition they have decided. Here we go. Reaching India, it falls into time zone ani, time zone. See, this is one time zone here, and this is one time zone here. Time zone ani the India falls into 2 time zones, 1 hour plus 1 hour. For every time zone, there is 1 hour difference. 1 hour different time zones later. Why do we have time zones? The time zones later no Yengo Mataida, India gi Mataida Lariba, North East side asiga. India gi Mataida Lariba, Arunat that Gujarat side asiga. Side ani se Karitoba Haitade, Pungani gi difference Lariba. Somebody there in the northeastern part of India and somebody there in the western part of India, there is time difference of 2 hours. 2 hour ki time difference with somebody in northeast wake up at 5:30. Somebody at Gujarat wake up at 7:30. Gujarat ki 7:30 ki meet office ka taradi. Madi mana office ka do is somewhere around 11:30 the kaning in Notice ki kangu duna ka ge hai time manan ge hai somewhere 9:30 the car ani ba. Lot of difference later. I'm on 9:30 the office. I'm on 10:30 11 the office means lot of difference. Adu tari yaad reva. All this constraint, all this trauma mayam si solve down obagi damakta. We do have put up standard timing thaminiba. Not yours, not mine. We'll go the mid part that is called Indian Standard Time. Yariko. So as to remove the constraints. That is why we need a time zone. Adu itari ke dorani sigi time zones dagi 0 dagi any jagama 0 dagi any jagama 60 degree the chale na khalasi adu 0 dagi 60 yona ko hona badam the pugya sangni 15 30 45 60 adu pugya sangni 1 hour 2 hour 3 hour, 4 hour, like that. Si Kambataradi, Kanago Munupamana, England dagi, Pung Manga the plane tonge, Adiduga, India the Chale, Adudima, India Yogumatamda, Pung Gayada, Yogani, Haibama. Yaraba, India dagi, England dagi, India la Komatam, the degree kya fangi, how many degree you got? Somewhere around 5.5 degree. 5.5 degree means you are having how many hours? 5.5 hours. A guy coming to India from England will cover 530 hours. 530 hours covered by the. If the what's so in England is somewhere around 2 p.m. so ahing dane ba 2 am an hai se ahing dane ba England da India yaro kana mai gari de kya so to ni 2 plus 5:30 means 7:30 ayukta India da ma gari do 7:30 so to rani ba means journey time plus 2 kari hai the starting point to the magi journey time to 8 tawradi magi gari phangani ba that is the condition. Which of the following cities not have the same clock as that of the other cities given in the figure? Given in the figure. Adoitardi, they are giving you Pitrivi ki maming chatpa, city ghar ki maming nipirisi. Akoi su actually important cities ghar ki maming akoi su paabadar kale. We need to study some important cities of the world. Tongan tongan ba maru ba important cities ghar ki maming paaba machangi yare ko. Akoina adum paaba to angang gi larik to so dum yaw bani thoidokna maru leite Delhi si karamba kari hai tare in which longitude Delhi is what is Islamabad si karamba longitude lay adagi Dhaka in which longitude Colombo in which longitude or like Japan gi Nippon in which longitude like China gi Beijing in which longitude Sumai Torga, Maruiba Pitribigi capital cities Karagi Yareko, longitudes Kangbada Kale, Haying Perkada, Shumaina, longitudes UK Gaina Piriba, Lisbon, Portugal Gaina Piriba, Accra, Ghana Gaina Piriba, the Amazon Ethiopia Gaina Pise. At least which one of the following longitudes manada gi Hairiniko or longitudes manada the clock manada or Hairineba. Karamba clock manada gi Hairineba questions in the Hairisi. Yariko, Ate Makadi Chauranga Manare, Addis Alba, Ethiopia gi longitudes ka Matak the period of Duga, Chauranga Manadre, Maramaduna, Magi Clock, Manare, that is called D is the right answer. Other minor D is the right answer over any. Atopadi Kari Dobe.
Question number 72 sir. Counter currents key direction.
Okay, counter equatorial current, right? Counter equatorial current. And can I come back after the break? Let me have a break of 5 to 10 minutes, okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just come back after 5 to 10 minutes, okay? We'll just continue that from 10:30 the hours go. Yes, are you ready, Rakesh? Rakesh,
yes.
Okay. Which question? Correct. Question number Bahaba?
Equatorial counter current question number.
Equatorial counter current. Which question? Question number? Let me check the question, okay? Equatorial counter.
72.
72. Question number 72. Question number 72. Chalo, let's go with question number 72. Yes, let me come with question number 72. That is question number 72 regarding counter equatorial current. Yes. Let's us know first. What are the ocean currents? Ocean currents, some of the currents are moving permanently moving currents, some local domestic dynamic. These are the there are different kinds of ocean currents we may be studying. Few are like equina taungre, warm equatorial current, cold equatorial current gaina. Some haiba kanda asaba current, aying bazaga current, aying badagi lakpa current, asaba dagi chatpa current. Shumaina Targat, we have studied different things in oceanography, but let me remind you again here together. Yes, like this. This is North America, and here this is South America, and here is our Africa like this, and this is India part, and this is Japan part, and this is Australia part, and here's here this is our Europe part. Okay, like this, like this. This is Mediterranean Sea part, and here like this. What are the currents moving here in this area? Asabadagi chaladi kedorani warm current kaure, warm current here. This area sidagi sumaina sumlaga asabarom dagi lagta adi kedorani south equatorial current, south equatorial current. This is called Agulhas or Mozambique current kawegan sanahai kre. Again, this current is moving down here. This is Brazilian current is coming down here, right? And here again current is coming down here. See West Australian current kaure haire. Again, simung in nakan sida southwest monsoon ni haire. Yareko. Sigi zagas the current amalai and it moves up Mexican current, right? And it reaches up to the Norway for yaure haire. That is called in the name of Norwegian current haire. Sidagi amu take laga Japan Kuril current haire. Like this. And here southwest monsoon haire. Like this. These are some of the warm currents. Means see the pattern of the currents. All the currents are moving in this direction. This is called equatorial current. In both the hemisphere, in the north and the south hemisphere, the equator, the warm wind is currents. Warm equatorial current. Because this equator is very near to the sun. Adu dima sarani ko. Why this equatorial current is moving in that side? Art ki movement that is the movement of the art from west to east. This is moving this side, right? This because of the movement of the art is moving from west to east. The trade wind is moving. The trade wind is moving from east to west direction. There is only one wind that is moving from east to west direction. That is called westerlies. Okay, somewhere here in this area there is only one wind that is moving. Subtropical. This is called westerly winds. Okay, westerly winds. Westerly winds like this, west to east. Otherwise, all the winds are moving. Otherwise, all the winds are moving from east to west direction. Yes. Sometimes some pattern of ocean currents is developed due to Kamaina, see the original movement of the ocean currents in the counter move away. Counter, which is not following the original part. Original parts if follow the counter equatorial current kaureva. This counter equatorial currents in a maramurga illino lalina the sulakado because of the extreme sigizagas the warm even a maram due to the warming of the Pacific, the Eastern Pacific and the Central Pacific. Australia ki mathak America Pacific Ocean ki mayai, America ki Peru ki matai is asigi zagas the Pacific Ocean da excessive warming to maram oiraga because of different reasons. The reasons not yet decided because of different reasons. Okay, there is change in pressure, there is change in gradients, there is change in movement of the wind. Yaraba. Si na maram oiraga kedorani sigi zagas the low anuba low area is created. Hanadi actually the actual part of low is this side. Hanadi original low is here. This is original. Okay. Now, temporal low, that is dynamic low, temporal, this temporal low. Now this is temporal. For some specific period of time, low area is created in this area because of dynamic reasons. Adu ay tadi kedorane. Oceans the live ising makaido, sumom the chien bagi mahutta, sumongi low zagas data. The water began to flow in the counterpart. The water began to flow in the counterpart. Sibo koina kari kaureva, counter equatorial current kaureva, which give lot of disturbance to the trade wind. Even it affect the movement of the trade wind also. Trade wind give movement to affect taure, taurabanina kedorane, hana original the dikedoeba, hana original the ocean sidai the leram do see, original the kedoeba, the water is going to pile up this side. Hana di ising si ocean ising si karam do lakto isa. Piling up of the ocean waters, a lot of water is going to be in this side. Hi, the sumum nakan today the ising mamam lay do inema. Yan dareko. So nakan the ising piling up to do inema because trade winds the sumum the sum set pamatam the my movement the water, lot of water is going to carry and move forward this side. Now, what happened? Howji kari tore sung in nakans data low do lake rubbery na kedorane water do swine chale adu now it moves in the counterpart tautar kedorane the piling of water si kedorane so from the pile toroi the water is going to rise, the water level is going to rise this side adu di nasai swum the upwelling turbo portion du kedorane namdagrani upwelling toroi this side laanega karigino because of the calm kari haitare low pressure belts munda laibagine because of the calm low pressure belt that side then the high the jagada gi kedorani the low jagada lag to ineba that is the condition there, that is the condition there. You may put in the diagram into your notebooks. And question number 73, question number kya hai bro? 72. Let's discuss. Explain that it was this. The rotation of the art on its axis, the convergence, explain that it was flows of the counter equatorial current. Convergence of the two equatorial current. Simadilale. Difference in salinity of ocean water. Sisulale. Ising ocean movement would be yaeba. Rotation of the RT normal to west to east direction to P do neba. Yarva abnormal ohelisik karino high tarde sol salinity nadi karino pirido movement of the ocean water so P sol salinity na. But movement of the west to east direction of the ocean water the P deva manakwa. Convergence of the two equatorial current high tarde trade wind gidi tongan malajekre sisulale. Occurrence of the bale of calm here near the equator. This can be the right answer. Occurrence of the bale of calm near the equatorial. Okay, near the equator. This can be the right answer. So, elaborate. Let me go a little more deeper on this. The option D is going to be the right answer. Right? This is the equatorial zone. This is the equatorial zone. Because of warmness, this is low. Low lot of air is going to rise up like this and clouds are going to form. Rise up, lot of rising of air is taking place here. Adudi sigi jagas there is a passage. There is a passage of very calm, very rare. Very calm, very rare, with almost there is no movement of, at least there is no movement of wind bubbling the high tare. Sigi calm areas in a maram or normal conditions from the chain kiva, normal conditions from the chat kiva, wind makaisa kedarba. Sigi calm regions they attract over mepa. This calm region opposition to maram di because a very low pressure bell was created sometimes near the Pacific regions ki asaba jagas or all over the area, Pacific or connectivity areas, the low pressure bell create over Maram Oerega, Sigi Zagas, the current attract or Pangameba, Sigi low Zagas, Maramaduna, the counter equatorial currency, equatorial low doldrum mapas, the chatpay. Because due to the presence of doldrum, anadum higher sukaitiko. Yeah, bro.
Yes.
This is the condition. Then, which question should we move on?
Question atai dia dum. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Tides ki matang dudra gyan tada bra. Tides. Let me just come and connect you with tides. Ayam manalo yung chumlo kolam bamali ko. What bra? I hope you don't have any kind of problem with most of the question, right? And let me just have you with tides. Tides I di karineba. Tides. Tides is nothing. Big waves. Big waves into the oceans. Yes, this is continuous. This is continuous. This is directed. This is continuous and directed. Tides is continuous and directed because of the energy given by water particles. Like this. Because of the energy given by wind, sometimes this movement, wind because of the particle, it can move upwards. Okay, because of the downward pulling, it can come down, it can move up like this. It can come down, it can move up, and it can finish reaching a coastal. Makas the Athene Sarum Theatre friction to a neighbor. Friction thopata articulate malu tights to a neighbor. Yes, sometimes the pulling down, the pulling up, the crease and trough, crease and trough, crease and trough, trough, crease, trough, crease, trough, crease. This is the movement of the tide. Yes, tide ki pulling say Sana so high cre Masi Karamatam the Kangani. The pulling of the sun and the moon, the pulling of the sun, moon, and earth ki relation do the tides. See, sun niko. This is sun. The sun ki around the elliptical part, the earth is moving around the sun. This is called equinox, and this is called periphery. This is called perihelion, aphelion. What is this? This earth. This is earth. This is art. Art is moving like this. Art is moving like this, like this. Yes, one complete revolution around the sun will keeps you 1 year. 1 year means complete revolutions around the sun. Sun siga art ka nakpa matam de kidorani. Day and night, day and night, day and night. Pirani, the art rotates and it exists. Suddenly, matam the one complete. Amutang arts in matam steady that is called one complete rotations. Then one complete rotation means what? Rotation do na maram orga day and night, day and night. Night day haidi kidorani sundown saliba nakandu day korani sandagi opposite orba nakandu kidorani night korani will give you like day and night, day and night. This rotation will give you day and night. Rotation of the earth will give you day and night. This revolution of the earth, revolution of the earth will give you seasons like spring, like autumn, like summer, like winter. It will gives you seasons. Rotation will give you day and night. Revolution will give you seasons. Right this. Although we establish a condition of established the way. Arna Sangi around the Chatpamatamda, there should have a very nearest point. Arna Sangi equate with the Chatpamatamsda, magi amna nakshan na ba point ama laifam thoi amuka r na magi sun sida chatpa matamda yam sathi na laptop ki point ama laifam thoi means sigi laptop ki point sina sine hai na loro. This is like I'll just give you an example. Okay, 12 lakh kilometer in a khalo see sina 11.5 lakhs kilometer in a khalo example. Okay, sina laptop iba point kore sina naksel iba point kore ado itadi mabani gi differentiate tobal sina periheli kawe perihelion. This is called perihelion, this is called epihelion, this is called epihelion, perihelion. Hence when the earth is very near to the sun ado itadi ke dorane sigi earth ki surface ke dorane when it is very near to the sun the nakshan baba tak ke dorane earth ki surface pulling down ne sigi pulling down matam se ke dorane it will give you big tides, it will give you big tides. Amuka shongi nakan jidi ke dorane pulling yamna tawraroi adudi it will give you lesser tides, it will give you normal tides, high tides, normal tides, high tide, normal tides. Ay barkhada hang bayay perihelion na kari pigani perihelion na dilapani na normal pigani epihelion na kari pigani epihelion na high tides pigani. This is the condition. Again condition atopa musulai karigumba art sina karigumba moon sina art ki around the chatini the moon is also revolving around the earth, that also a condition. This sun is here, right? This sun is here and the earth is going like this in the elliptical part. Again this earth is moving like this, this earth is moving like this in the elliptical part. Like this earth is moving that way in the elliptical part. Again what happened is this moon is also moving around the earth, the moon is also moving around the earth. Okay, like this moon is also moving around the earth. And there arise one condition malai. See, when the sun and the moon and the earth, when the sun in the moon and the earth in a straight line, when the sun, moon and the earth in the straight line, it gives you what? High tides, because there will be strong pulling by the sun and moon on the earth. High tides like any, there would be strong pulling of the sun and moon towards the earth. Aduna maram oiraga high tides like any, okay, twice a month, 2 times in a month. Again their condition sidagi khara chatwe quarter, sidagi khara lae quarter, sidagi khara lae quarter, like this. When the sun and the moon is at 90-degree position, when the sun and the moon is 90-degree position, adu itadi kadorane the pulling of the sun and moon would contradict each other. When the sun and the moon is at the position of 90-degree position, yaraba, the pulling of the sun and the moon contradict each other. contradict with the sine sona kan chingani sine sona kan chingani adu itari magi force would be reduced magi pressure gradient handarani pulling force handarani aduna handaramin arte am defect or arte defect of the position dubu koine kari kawi and this position is called spring tight. Spring tight, this position is called nip tight. Nip tights like this. Again, karigumba ising na wangkali bagi matam lot of water is coming. Ising na wangkali ngay matam water level na this is I'll take an example. This is India. When lot of water is piling up here in the pieces, when lot of water is coming in the visas, when lot of water is coming in the visas, Sibu karikawe, flow of flood kawe. This is called flow of flood. Flow of flood. Again, when the water is going down, again, when the water is moving down, when the water is moving down like this, when the water is going down, water level is down, wherever water level, water down, wherever water up, wherever. Two condition, down of water, up of water. Adudi sigi down wherever conditions you go in a cake or ever tight kimaronda if go. Don't get confused in the exam. This must on tights. Yarabo?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 73 already gone. 73 is the live maram du kendra the pulling of the sun, moon, and the Kedoraba Tonganba Arki centrifugal force. Saiba Mashulai. Centrifugal force produced by the art. Mapanda Indora iduni centrifugal force I see. Okay, centrifugal force haiba mashulaire sun gi pulling, moon gi pulling, and centrifugal force is the dynamic reasons for the movement of the tide in the oceans, for having tides in the oceans, right? This one, the key like question number 75. The annual range of temperature in the interior of the continent is high as compared to the coastal areas. The annual range of temperature is high. Kari manung gino moistures fang the bagini go. Continent manung the chang radi kadorani ba wind katang ayarani there is lack of moistures. Wind is lack of moistures which can give rainfall. That is why manung the leribo continents to kadoriba sari nebuko. Which of the following is characterized equatorial forest? Equatorial forest that is hana kariya kare tall legini, canopy legini, epiphyte legini, temperature sagani, laterite soil legini, adagi soil makai to dead legini, adagi lot of bushes legini, lot of canopy legini, lot of reptiles legini, then small insects, small plants, poisonous animals, that poisonous insect, small animals, all that things. Ado itadi karita the presence of tall sichume, close sichume. The coexistence of large number of species ma'am like presence of numerous varieties of epiphytes. Si chumigo UPSC the ahum lag shure hangiba. Yes, seasonal reversal of wind di khangamani. Seasonal reversion of wind, example monsoon, kalenda mathak the kagani, winter the makha the lakani, mathak the kavana, southwest monsoon gawi, makar of the reverse the Ramana northeast monsoon gawi, aduni haisi. The seasonal reversion of wind is the tropical characteristics of equatorial climate. That is the right answer. Okay, 81. Don't think let me just come to question number 81. Let me just come to question number 81. Zagam Pire, which one of the following is the characteristics of a given area? Hot and humid climate. Kadai do ini hot and humid sa?
Around 20 degrees. Hot and humid.
Hot and humid. Sasu sabako. Adu gi chochu chotpa. Adu di like akoi gi India da naina tade Andhra Pradesh ko boy yare ko. Kerala ko boy yare ko. Yabra yadabra.
Yay.
Tamil Nadu ko boy yare ko. Hot and humid eyes the nang khang doi se hot id
India adu tari hot India karai dano Kerala Tamil Nadu Andhra Pradesh ki wari ni chot pa hairadi nong tare sasu sare nong chu tare adu di cholane what and humid hairadi akoi na grabs to be a peninsular region namadi oirane ba answers the answers would be of peninsular regions right mathang the annual rainfall it's 200 centimeter 200 centimeter I the Kerala gi mapadu de na greater than 200 centimeter ne Kerala dagi khara changsaladi like somewhere Tamil Nadu or somewhere Karnataka or some upper part of Kerala hai tare manung part of Kerala sai da sigi character lai bi ai adu hilly slope lai gini hai tare ma karino Ghats akoi gi India gi hilly slope peninsula da lai by the Western Ghat Eastern Ghat hai di adu di mana haining is the Western Ghat natraga Eastern Ghat ki jaga ne hai ne mana haining iba idea se annual range of temperatures 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius laini adu temperature di Tamil Nadu natraga Andhra Pradesh natraga Kerala sida oirani suksoi suidana mana piriba condition se which of the following crops piriba crops lange ye Master ID Ningham Dhagini, Asabagi Wari Toraga Ningham Dagi crops P Taradi Lale, Mam 100% Lale. Yes, Katan Haidi, Deccan Petugini, Maya Europa, moderate type of climate kini. Akoi Deccan Haidi Karai, the Mumbai regions in the Maharashtra region. Adu Itarima Chumbatara Sung Hakan suspense Thamo. The cotton can be a right answer, but Hakan Thamo. Then pepper. Yariko. Muroki time ni pepper hai tare agoi asaba pot ki wari ni mana sari si to pepper suma oibi abra yai pepper muroki time ni oibi abra yai condition lai adu itadi mathangi condition de karino virgin tobacco hai ti madi kai dorani madi moderate changiba moderate changiba virgin tobacco is virgin tobacco need moderate temperature to high temperature chang doini aduga ma si nong su ke dorani taba dum mara kaina changani akoi di 200 centimeter gi wari ni 200 centimeter gi wari oita di sungsoi soi dana ma Karnataka mapa aswaida Kerala mathak Tamil Nadu gi mathak mayai thambasaru aswaida hoba crop oidoi neba adu dadi oibi aba answer si pepper and virgin tobacco oire Tobutu ani sidagi kara close oina notice tobu taradi we will off the option with kari hai tare pepper and lower chalachi will off the option with pepper we'll go the option with pepper because virgin tobacco has the virgin tobacco don't need lot of rainfall okay virgin tobacco the rainfall yamna changoi adubu pepper di rainfall yamna changani virgin tobacco di moderate temperature da su yai akoi na nainari di high temperature gi wari ni adu itadi magi moderate ki character cheli virgin tobacco di cotton ga manai chorak na adu itadi at least cotton oidrabani na masu oiraroi that is the option. Next question number 82 is we are talking about albedo. Question number 82 na talk down is kaino albedo ni albedo hai di kaino the amount of radiated kari hai tare insolation duni insolation hai di kari hai ba nungsa mangan art europe du insolation kawi insolation hai si khangba matam da kai doni ma di transparent oi to the atmosphere hanba matam da di ma transparent oi di opaque oi di kari gino because of the lot of impurities in the lower troposphere hanba matam da troposphere gi lower the impurities pollutants ma'am leirabani na halaga chatpa ngamdrabani na ma kedorani heat trap torani na ma kedorani global warming tobagi chances leire global warming course to isi kegino because of the pollutants yare ko sima adu di karamba surface ta kwaidagi reflect back toba ngamgadabno haibani kwaidagi reflect back toba ngamgadaba surface karamba surface no hai taradi ice and water bodies the icing and water bodies aduri number 1 ice cap ayam sine number 1 hallani mathang da kari toba yai mathang da karamba jaga da hanbe yai mathang da karamba jaga da hanbe yai what can be the right answer Which of the following reflect when more sunlight? That is land cover with fresh snow. Fresh snow na pass oirani, mathang the ocean oirani, mathang the kari taurani, desert oirani, mathang the crops oirani, mathang the kari taurani, kari hai tare, mathang the kari oirani concrete, sek lang koilas lang isaruk sitara neba. That is the condition. Dagi to pati thoidong na yaw dre na khale. Upwelling yarani, then just let's consider about photochemical smoke. Photochemical smoke the photo ID kariyai, it should be like sunlight yaudobani,
Light.
sunshine yaudobani ko. Other the photochemical smoke ki magi impurities mayamama ID sana high grade pan, high grade pan means peroxide kari tare. Perox acetyl nitrate kind of, and these are some impurities that can create a lot of problem into the atmosphere. So my toraga kari components pollutants lege earth surface ta photochemical smoke token bagi conditions pollutants mayam maming sum naina tarati hydrocarbon ising gi chang yaure nitrogen oxide ka sum yarum bayare adigi mai lang thare adigi thole bapot makhisi, it helps lot in creating problems into the atmosphere. Even it can cause hazing the tobe upun mayan the condensation to hydrocarbons ising yawa carbons na water molecules mayam do phajalaga kunghan bayai kunghan ladi ke dorni car lang thobo khotpa ke dorni mingsen hai matam da yam thina mod ido adu duna mara it can be a very great hell hazard obviously adu u da dana khot da dana gari thobo matam da accident thobo khotpa sumaya yawe. That is the condition. Nitrogen oxide, ozone, the peroxidal nitrides kind of sanamayam hydra. Yes, here we go. And sulfur dioxide is emitted mainly in the volcanic activities. Mamang the so high grade sarna. Shumaina. Next atopa question. Nainavaya Badda Elna Noyare. And then and if we come to class 6 ki syllabus, the asteroids and comets all the celestial bodies means all the heavenly bodies are called celestial bodies. Celestial bodies the sun, the earth, the moon, and different planets are celestial bodies. Celestial bodies the karigumba light emit that which can emit light of their own, that is called stars koraniba. The planets, the different 7-8 planets who never have their own lights, these are called non-celestial bodies. The sun itself is a big star neighbor. Yaraba sun it is very much nearer to the earth than the stars. Adunani sun is the biggest star because it is near to the earth. Simashulaire adugi matungda asteroid di kari haiba tongan ba Prithvi ki layers tongan ba Prithvi ki universe ki zones de tongan ba atopa art akhoi ki planet chinat ba tongan ba maya planetoids planet man ba maya ma mushulairi high river planets maya masi kari go matamda collision thoi thengai na busiawi kaira ga kelak busiawi yariko kaira ga kelak busiawi sigi asteroid high di sigi planetoid man ba body sigi magi chatpa leifam lei magi leifam sibo koina kari kore asteroidic belt kowe karamba jaga da lege do no hair di Mars ka Jupiter gi marak te lei Mars ka Jupiter sibo koina kari kowe asteroidic belt haina khangne sigi belt sidai da different types of collisions thokwe collisions thengai na raga kele iba machet marang mayam do it can be frozen into the mesosphere the frozen towe or mai hobe friction thoga or magi upun mayam do frozen tobusu yai aduna maram oraga masi kedorane comets speed. Comets is nothing, it is the frozen rock particles to neighbor which can be having a very long tail lebe yani kashukaite because frozen tobaisi is a long process, it can continue longer. Yarani ko adugi warini aduna asteroids are small rocky planetoids which comets are formed of frozen gases held together by the rocking and metallic minerals. Chances lay asteroids are found mostly within the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Sisuchumi while comets are found mostly between the Venus and Mercury. Similarly, Venus ka Mercury ID comets ki bale laitable laifam. Aduna ma the bale laire na pire. Aduna 2 is the wrong answer. 1 is the right answer. Comets show a perceptible glowing tint, while asteroids don't. Then 1 and 3 can be the right answer. That is B answer. Which one of the following is the major Indian cities most is what located? Hyderabad, Bhopal, gaina pirido. Bhopal sometimes see questions sidigi akoina combine tor prepare to bay UPSC na 2019 da hangi combine hangi ba which of the following cities is very much proximal, which of the following cities is very much proximal to the ISD line and hangi, very proximal to the ISD line hangi. Summa question hang banina. Sometimes summa question makaisu hang baya, but the preparation tabumatamda it could be a very good approach having these questions as a set of questions in a lakomatamda. See prepared to buy. Which of the following is the major Indian cities most is what located? Kanana kwaidik is what located oibano haibani. Number C, Lucknow na kwaidik is what located oi. Lucknow is lying somewhere. Lucknow is lying somewhere in 80.5. Hyderabad is somewhere in 78.4. Then Bhopal in 77. Bangalore in 77.6. UPSC gi lakwa abu question amo oi because 2019 the CG model the question hungry buko like this. Easternmost Kanatare, Lucknow. Lucknow lies in 85. All others lies somewhere below 80. That's it. And let me also talk you regarding the earthquakes. Earthquake earthquake is due to the collisions of the land masses in the process of plate movement. Plate movement that is coming in movement, then going out movement, then parallel movement and non-acting plates. Non-acting plates are called parallel plates and sliding plates are called sliding movements. Coming of the plates the maram converging converging the maram collision to a collision collision to folding torni later further folding totarati. Upwelling means coming up of the land masses in the upper part lani that can give you your Himalayas and all that mountains and hills Pyrenees. Yarani go. Adigi makada kumdar give a part to Kidorani, machet kairani friction thorny energy produced. That energy is coming out from inside the earth. That point is called focus. Focus the live energy then a surface the hanbi already that is called epicenter. Then epicenter the in different directions the wave create that is called surface wave korani. Manung the wave makaina chatpadubu korani body wave korani. Body wave is the energy traveling from focus into different directions into the body. That is called body wave. On the surface set of another waves create already kedorani epicenter that is called surface wave. Adugi warini then earthquake that's it. And you may be knowing some of the popular earthquakes that have been taken place across the world. Maru in earthquake ID Assam the Thokre, Gujarat the Thokre, India the Northeast Dumiyai, and you may be also knowing the volcanic zones of India, that earthquake zones. That's it. Which of the following factors affect the surface temperature? Surface temperature affect which of the following affect the surface temperature? The latitude chu yai, altitude chu yai, cloud cover chu yai loin yare like this. Rakesh, this must do you have any more question to ask?
No, sir.
Okay, so do we enough here today?
Yes, sir.
And if you have more doubts, then I'll connect you through the mains part, okay? Some days later. Okay?
Yes.
And again telling you thank you very much for coming. All the students are not coming, only you present in the discussion hour. Then you are having that much energy, and now I can decide you that you are fit for this exam. Otherwise you are very much fit for this exam. Try very hard, try more harder. You can sit alone in the class for 2 hours, means you have that courage. You are eligible for this exam. You have that courage. Now on the willpower do lay, but now on that perseverance, that determination, that kind of any kind of dedication lay, determination lay, then perseverance lay. Alone sit in the class 2 hours.
nobody else means you have that guts to sit. Adugi parkha thaba guts to leireba. And from my side, wishing you the very best. You'll do it. You'll crack it. Work very hard. Okay. This is
Thank
my
you, sir.
wish from. This is my wish to you. You have that guts. Work very hard. You'll crack through this exam. Okay. If you have any problem, contact me. Then I can help you. Okay.
Sir, right, kailangan some discuss
Hi.
mo
Hi.
ba?
Hi. Hi.
Kaya ba, ay actually ay medical background ni sa atin ba?
Okay. You don't
Aduna
need to worry.
aina huzik pokse sum class aina huzik koi politics yaure, geography gi yaure, sum thengera ko aina geography je huzik pokte ingon da khare hena line thokpa da do aina
Okay. Okay.
optional je geography oina dum learning ta je sum
Yeah,
kai
it's
ba
kind of
ladik se
geography
aina
of.
huzik ingon da ladik lai je Jesiliong pa yang do ka
Jesiliong is see geography optional ski in the lactara day. You need to have a book on geomorphology. Write it down. You need to have a book on geomorphology. If you if you going to write the men's geography part, that optional part, let me just give you a list of book. Go for geomorphology, Savindra Singh. Internet te gedum kak yara Savindra Singh, Sar Savindra gi geomorphology. Savindra gi ne physical geography na apun bam leibani ko adu so dum pai be yare. Geomorphology katang iba su leibani. Then physical geography by Savindra leibani. You can take that part also. Physical geography by Savindra. You take you buy that book. That will be better. Aduga climatology da tongana page hai taradi. Yes, DS Lal na iba leibani. DS Lal. Okay. Adu maglay draga su ngasai Savindra gi climatology da dum yarani. Aduga atoppa laring ma Indian geography gi laring ama dilay da yaro haji ama laikre sana layon haire. Ani subada Indian geography.
Majid Hussain je kamai tau ke kino da aina Mujhe ke ba sir na class tau ringe matam dai Majid Hussain abdi Majid Hussain je lai ba lai ra sum da ye ju yeng ba do Majid Hussain aina lai ri tu nam ingon da kitang pa da thu gadra na Indian and world do lai bani ba do yamna nungai kitang khangde
Say
Indian and world do nungai ta ba
India gi dum mamin chatpa Indian geography by Majid Hussain ko world geography by Majid Hussain ani leibani.
Sir aina apun ba do ina lai chalo
Okay,
ba
kesu kaidre lairo ra kesu kaidre Indian geography by Majid Hussain adu atopa man nang la laining agana Khular gi lairo. Indian geography by Khular. KULLAR Khular. Yaraba Khular gi lairo laigi hargana adu main toro adu atlas ama pyro. You use one good atlas or in long min season agira or whatever Oxford student atlas black swans whatever array season aro khara fazena ko sima sigi chance they da tamna walk toro already NCERT like re then Jesiliong leire. Okay, this must sima kaisina dum walk khar tawba horoba and haying tongan ba kuina main store kanda let me come with some other reference book kay the optional ibadi akoina regional geography ki larik ama pai da yaro eba resource geography ki larik ama pai da yaro eba adaga thought ki larik ama pai da yaro eba. That is thought ki very famous book is of Majid Shah katani lairiba geographical thought by Majid Hussain adu leiba hobi yare nang option e optional e gaidi geographical thought book by Majid Hussain sar Majid laikidre. Akoy nang hawi ko sar Majid na when I was there in Jamia that I said direct class with Sar Majid sir. Okay, sima yare adu ka hing regional part then atopa na hing tongan na optional star kan na narasi. Okay,
yes sir
mas okay, I am saving your number and you are having my number, right? This is my number.
6923027. Okay, sir.
Thank you very much again.
Thank you, sir.
I'll connect you soon in the near future.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.